Today I thought I would give you another tour of my house after I spent 2 days cleaning it. Right now I'm standing in the hallway coming from the front door toward the hallway. This is a catch-all table, and of course it's broken, so I have to get it all cleaned up. As you can see, there was a lot of dust underneath the catch-all table. And there's the intake for my furnace, which is very dusty. More dust. I gotta clean even more. There is the refrigerator that's going to be leaving in just a little while. My dirty kitchen again. I never got around to cleaning my stove. It'll get done eventually. Looking out toward the back door, that is actually the laundry room and the furnace room and the water heater room. I don't know if you can tell, but the distance between that and those two counter points is way too narrow for that refrigerator to go through. And everything that I had stuck on the side of the refrigerator is now on my back door. There's some paint I'm getting rid of. A table that I was planning on getting rid of, but I've had so much junk on it I haven't done it yet. My nice clean kitchen is no longer a nice clean kitchen. The catch-all table still has stuff on it. I got my cooler, and it's got ice in it, got a few things in it. I did manage to clean out this fridge. You see, there's nothing in it. Now this stuff here is going with the refrigerator. I told them they could have it. The bags belong to my sister, and they're going to drop those off to her on their way. I still got to clean it out. I'd be too embarrassed to give it to them like that. I never did get around to mopping the floor either. I'll move the microwave after they get here. Right now I need it plugged up so that I can warm up my coffee. I'm back into the hallway. And this is where the fridge will have to go out. In order to have room for that, I had to move this big monster table. It's 14 foot long. And it's on wheels, so it's very easy for me to move around. All those things were underneath the table, so I had to move them around to this side and out of the way, which made a big mess in the corner. And I got to get all that straightened up again. That's my baby, my big monster machine. Sorry if I'm making you dizzy again. There's a lot of stuff I'm getting rid of. A lot of this food right there, it's like 4 bags of food and a box of food. It's going with the refrigerator. Behind the door is the way up to the stairs. I mean, the stairway upstairs. Turn around, go the other way again. My floors, I really wanted them refinished, but I haven't got around to that either. Money's been too tight. That's tabletop it's leaving. My design wall, or part of my design wall, that is supposed to go into my sewing room. As you can see, even my bedroom is full of stuff, including my bed. A lot of stuff piled up in the corner. I'll have to go through all that and go through it, get rid of some stuff. I didn't make my bed today because I planned to wash my sheets, but I didn't want to wash the sheets until after all the dusty stuff is put away. There's stuff over there in the floor. I don't know if you can see that. I can't really reach it. Alright, now we're getting ready to go into the most embarrassing room of my whole house. This is my food storage room. That's more of my design wall. Food storage is really messy. Everything's out of whack. That's food that has to be put away. And this is my computer room. Those shelves are normally, well, they used to be straight, but between the grandkids and myself, they've got out of whack too. There's no way to show you, but on the other side of that table is piled up art quilts and other sewing stuff that I need to go through. Right here is where I normally sew, but I needed to use the table for holding things till I can get that refrigerator out of here. These are more sewing things. Alrighty, we'll go back to the hallway. A lot of stuff that has to be got rid of. Well, there's one room that hadn't had anything put in it so far, but it sure does need to be cleaned. Alrighty, I'm back where I started at. If I made you dizzy, I'm very sorry again, and forgive my breathing, but I am very tired. Got a lot still to do. Bye-bye.